Okay, here we are on day 4 since we planted. Now, depending on what you planted, you should start seeing some little guys popping up. And right here we have our wildflowers, and you can see that we've already got some stuff coming up. Like I said, this is the 4th day. This is our 4th day check. So while you're looking for little seedlings to pop up, and we've got a little tiny one down here, you're going to want to feel some of the cells, being careful not to smush down any seedlings that you see popping up. See if it feels moist. This one does feel moist, so we don't need to water it. And if you see that our humidity dial is still at the same, about half, that seems to be doing good. Now we're going to go to our vegetables here. And we've already got some seeds popping up for cauliflower. So that's looking nice. Our spinach hasn't started popping up yet, but sometimes it can be a slow starter. And we've got a little one down here. You want to try not to disturb it. Let's see if it can pop up, and if not, we'll help it out a little bit. Now we're going to want to feel these, so you just kind of feel around, and they're still feeling pretty moist. This one's doing pretty good. And then we're going to want to feel these, and they're still feeling moist, so that's good. We don't need to water those. And now, last but not least, are herbs. Now, herbs kind of take a little bit of time, and little bit of time, no pun intended, or maybe it is. So, looks like we might have one starting right there. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to feel those, and they still feel pretty that one doesn't. These still feel pretty moist. So I think we're just going to leave that alone for right now. No watering needs to be done. We just kind of put it back in the sunlight, and we keep checking on them.